Re-Mantle and Make is a textile project which explores the circular economy. We are looking at high-value textile waste.
It's about working with everybody involved in the ecology of producing an artefact, in this case textiles, and thinking through how everybody can play a part in a more sustainable material future.
Re-Mantle and Make emerged through a conversation with Paul. So we attended the Future Makespace event, and after that we met for coffee and we sketched the idea out on the back of a napkin. And to begin with, there was conversations around shoes, around furniture. So while we've tested that within a textile design context, it could be applicable around lots of different products.
What I would like is when you get these materials, is to catalogue them as well, so they look. You know, you go into a beautiful wool shop, you see all the lovely wools, and it makes you want to get them. But if you just see a big bag of stuff, you're like, oh.
It's good to know where everything comes from, and it still has a value to me, even though there might have not been enough of it. Half a ball of wool, what can you do with that? But you can do a lot.
I think what's interesting as well is this notion of appreciating the inherent value of the materials, but also focus on something that's beautiful. I think a lot of the do-it-yourself has been about transformation, but often not in ways that are about an aesthetic appreciation or something that's more beautiful, and tapping into the kind of intrinsic nature of something.
I think the more that I worked with the materials, the more value they had. It's funny because I didn't want to waste the waste. I was doing things and unpicking it, and I'd photograph it and what worked and what didn't.
It's, I guess we have to challenge every aspect of this industry, from how you source your materials to what you make. It's a collective conversation.
The challenge is probably the limitation, because if you go out to choose a fabric, you're choosing a fabric and you're looking at, I suppose, the flexibility or what that property of that, the formal qualities, what it will do within a pattern or within form. Today you had to work with whatever was there.
I think some people thought commercial end of the product. Other people thought more creative.
It really challenged me, It was great.
I mean, it's quite exciting to use something that you've not done before and create something new.
The collar brief was designed to challenge the boundaries of what a collar could potentially be. Could it be a hybrid product that had many different things? Could it be interchangeable? Could it change over time? But we also wanted to use that to challenge the designer and the design process. Historically, collars were designed to be taken apart to allow a garment to last for the longest possible time.
I've been completely amazed at the amount of work we've got through in a short space of time, how just incredibly creative the ideas have been, and that they've been realised in the time. It exceeded all my expectations, it really did, and have just opened up so many new questions and new places for the research to go that I wasn't expecting. It's been amazing.